Hi you guys, here are two problems that look similar to tomorrow's quiz. Let's start. I'm going to give you the specific heat equation. I'm also going to give you this metal water thing so you have some stuff that you can use tomorrow. Look a lot like this. Let's do first one. Calculate the final temperature for a sample of aluminum on 2.5 kilojoules of energy is added to a 125 gram sample with an initial temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. There's a specific heat of aluminum. If you want to solve this for final temp, you got to rearrange it, and when you rearrange it, you would end up with final temp equals Q over M times C plus initial temp. Then you put all the variables in. So the Q is 2.5 kilojoules, which is really 2,500 joules, and it's got to be in joules for this to work. The mass is 125 gram sample. Specific heat of aluminum is 0.897 joules per gram times Kelvin. And the initial temperature was 18 degrees Celsius. So you plug all those into your calculator. Take 2,500 divided by 125 divided by 0.897, and then add 18 to that. And I get 40.3, we'll call it, for your final temperature. Make sure you put a label of degrees Celsius. For the second one, it's like a lab that we did today, or yesterday, depending on when you're looking at this. And you are putting basically metal, an unknown metal, into some water and trying to find out what the specific heat of the metal is. That's the goal. So you make use of this equation, which we know means that all the energy lost by the metal is transferred to the water. So there's metal here. So just put all the variables in where they belong. So the metal, its mass was 45 grams. We're trying to solve for specific heat of the metal, so that's the C. The initial temperature of the metal is 99 degrees Celsius, and that would go here. And the final temperature of the metal is the same as the water, which is 35.5, or 33.5. Now to the water. The mass of the water was 75 grams. Specific heat of water is 4.18. And temp change was, final temp was 33.5. Initial temp was 21.5. Oops. That says 21.5, sorry. Okay, let's see. Simplify this a little bit. This is negative 65.5. And this one is 12. Now you want to get C by itself, so you divide each side by negative 45 and negative 65.5. So C is equal to 75 times 4.18 times 12. And I got 1.27. And since it's a specific heat, the label is joules per gram times Celsius, or joules per gram times Kelvin. Yay, happy studying. Good luck on your quiz tomorrow. Bye!